Oh, did I dare? It is me again, the electrical wizard. You already know the name. Good luck, Ikechuku, the only electrical man that does work with magic. You will be marveled. So, these are the services that we offer. Is it switches? Is it your bulb? Whatever it is, if it is electrical, I am the man for the work. The only electrical wizard in the whole of Nigeria. Where are you? Are you in Abuja? Are you in Kaduna? Wherever you are in Nigeria, call us and we will show for you. And please, brother, sister, help us with a follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as you do so, may God bless you. Don't forget to call us. Our phone numbers are written down in our page. You can check our bio. Contact us for the best job. We are the best.
Yeah.